guys, ito po ang aking alaga, si Gyusa, my loves. Say hello, Gyusa. Gyusa! Boy, stricto ang baby namin. Naku po guys, stricto yung baby ko. Ayan, this is Cutie. Cutie! How are you, Cutie? Cutie! How are you? Oo. Ayan. Cute-cute yan, si Cutie. O, tingnan nyo. Oh, laki-laki ng baby namin. This one is si Waye. Hello, Waye. Say hi. Wally. Oh, very good. Matcha, baby. Shh, Matcha. What happened? Matcha. Look at. Ang gwapa namin na si Matcha, baby. Ito naman ay ang aking mga kittens. Ayan, yan si Beautiful. Ayan, si Beauty. And this one is Mochi. Agoy, nakalay down. My goodness. Mochi, say hi. I sleep ang aming Mochi. Nagising na mo, Mochi. Oh, ang cute naman ng Mochi baby natin. Oh, this one is Beautiful. Sabihin mo, Beauty, thank you for watching. Oh, and daw, sabi ni Wally. Okay, bye-bye na. Say hi. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, everyone. Oh, Matcha. Hello, Matcha. Hello, Wally. Wally, my loves. How are you?